How to enable local network access on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Scroll down and tap on Local Network as shown. Apps that have requested permission to find and communicate with devices on your local network will appear here. You can turn on or off any app access from here. As you can see, the YouTube app does not have access to your local network. Turn on the app switch to enable access. Following these steps, you can easily enable local network access on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.